Welcome to episode 7 of Elgin Museum Makes. This episode is called A Stitch in Time, where we create our own Elginerpeton tetrapod. If you have visited the museum, you've probably collected your own Elginerpeton tetrapod sewing kit, which contains all the pieces you need to sew your tetrapod. If you don't have a pack or can't visit the museum but would like a pattern and instructions, please email us at curator@elginmuseum.org.uk.
Step 1. Carefully cut out 2 body shapes and 1 belly shape from the felt. Use the paper pattern to help you. Cut the paper shapes first, pin these to the felt and carefully draw around each one with a pen. Separate the 6-strand black embroidery thread, because it's a bit too thick to sew with, into 2 lengths of 3 strands each. Step 2. Set aside the belly shape for now, so you don't need that just now. Turn the body shape over so that any pen marks are facing away from you. These will then be hidden inside when you sew the pieces together. Place the pieces with the heads facing in opposite directions and mark a dot where you want the eye to be. Thread your needle and stitch the eyes using 3 stitches to make a star shape. Step 3. Pin the 2 pieces of the body together with the eyes you have just stitched facing outwards. Step 4. Begin to sew from the tail to the head. The head is a narrower bit, stopping when you reach the tip of the nose. Step 5. Then get the belly piece you put to the side earlier, open out your body shape to match the feet and the head to your belly piece and pin in place. Sew all the way around the body, stopping at the tail. You want a gap to be left so you can stuff your shape. Step 6. Carefully push stuffing into the gap you left at the tail, pushing it into the feet and the head. Step 7. Stitch zigzag patterns onto the feet to represent toes. Step 8. Stitch up the gap in the tail and then sew 1 cm from the edge of the tail to secure the stuffing. And there you have it, your very own stitched tetrapod. Remember to give your tetrapod a name. This one is called Nixon.
The At the Water's Edge project is funded by the Weston Loan Programme with Art Fund, and the packs were put together by Moray ReachOut, a social enterprise that provides training for vulnerable adults in Moray.